Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to another weekend recipe of the Cooking with TJ. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a 3 ingredient recipe to make Nutella brownies. Let's get right through to it. So first guys, you need to add in some Nutella spread. I've not got the actual Nutella, I've got Nutella, so it's like a replica. But yeah, put in 450 grams of this chocolate spread into this bowl. Now that we've added the chocolate spread, we just need to add in the eggs. So crack in 3 eggs. Guys, so once you've added the eggs in, you can whisk it with electronic whisk, so it combines well. Then you can add in the 120 grams of plain flour and then whisk it as well. Obviously, once again, if you have electronic whisk, it'll just make the job much easier. So after whisking all that hard work, the chocolate spread should come out like this. All the ingredients that I added in should come out like this. Alright guys, so I'm going to add some foil to the baking tray. These are the struggles of not having parchment paper and not having proper baking trays. But yes, we have to make amends with what we have. Tough times. Now guys, we need to add in some chocolate chips. I didn't have any chocolate chips, so I used the Twirl chocolate bar and smashed it into small pieces and added it in. And now just give that a nice mix until it's well combined. And now what we need to do is add some butter to the sides of the baking tray. The reason why I do this is to prevent the chocolate from sticking when you're opening it up and breaking apart. So now guys, what we need to do is just add the chocolate into the baking tray and then spread it out evenly, and then it's time to go in. Right here guys, you can see I've added in a few more scoops of Nutella, and what I'm doing is I'm just going to swirl it all up so it comes up with a nice texture. Once you've done that, then you can just place the baking tray into the oven at 120 degrees for 30 minutes and just wait until the final product is complete. There you have it guys, a very delicious chocolate brownie 3-ingredient recipe to make. Something you can make on occasion, something you can make if you feel like having a lot of chocolate. But yeah guys, it's a very simple recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please do so. Until next weekend, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.